Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear WhatsApp storage. If your WhatsApp is taking a lot of storage and you want to free some storage from your WhatsApp, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. For example, if I go to my application info, you can see that WhatsApp is using 8.6 gig in total. Some of you might have more than that. So in this video I'm going to show you how to clear that. So to clear your WhatsApp storage, what you have to do is to open your WhatsApp, navigate to settings, scroll down and click on storage and data. Now click on manage storage and wait for it to analyze. As you can see right here, I have 5 gig worth of media on my WhatsApp. So if you want to clear WhatsApp storage, you click on the bottom one that says files larger than 5 MB. Click on it. Here, you're going to see all the media you have been sharing to your friends for the past 5 or 6 years, depending on how long you have been using your WhatsApp. If you want to clear all this storage, you just click on select all and you can delete everything. Do know that this won't affect your chat, only the media, which are pictures and videos. What I would recommend is selecting them one by one, because they are going to be in a duplicate format because you send it to your friends. So all you have to do is to select them one by one. When you are done selecting them, you click on the delete button and click on delete. When you go back, you will see that the storage has been reduced from 5 gig to 4.8 gig. You can take it a step further by turning on disappearing messages. This will automatically delete all messages and media. But anyway, that's how you clear WhatsApp storage. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.